YouTubers, it's George's Farmhouse. In this video we're going to talk about repotting seedlings into bigger pots. The reason I'm going to use these pots is because I sell them as seedlings and it's just cheaper for me to use these pots. You can get these from your Bunnings, local Bunnings warehouse. This particular video is going to teach you how to grow Transplant beetroot from SL trays to these trays into these. It's just because it's more efficient for me, so I make more money with it. Some people comment below saying you can sell them like this in tray multi-packs. Sometimes I do sell them multi-packs, but it's not worth it. Sorry, that's my phone going. It just rang for about once and then suddenly stopped. Don't know what's going on there. Probably happen again. It's happened like twice, 3 times today now, so don't know who's scamming me. Back to the subject. These plants are called beetroot. In Adelaide, we're classified as moderate. Seasonal veg and flowers, and our region of the seed raising and also the propagation industry climate, we're classified as moderate, so that's what we do. And this is this is a spring veg, and I'm going to transplant it. The stuff you'll need is the pots, whatever you want to transplant them in. I'm going to do these for example. If you plant them in the garden, you can just use the normal ground soil. But if you transplant in the pots like for selling and that, I would recommend a good quality potting mix such as Osmocote Professional Proven Potting Mix. This brand is known as Scott's. It's one of the most popular brands in Bunnings. And it's one of the best. I normally buy a value pack for 50 litres for about $14.22 normally. And like I said, it's 50 litres, it lasts me for ages. And I probably can get more pots out of this litre than another one that I normally use, so it's just cheap for me to buy this one because it's just easy and profitable. So, alright, first thing you have to do is, and of course you need your plants that you want to put in. I'm just going to do beetroot for this video. I'm going to teach you how to do other ones as well, individual veggies and that, so keep tuned. So the first thing is, I'm not sure you can see this all this. Yeah, you can see this. You always see me filling up the potting mix. So you grab some potting mix, then you press it down, get your seedling, take the tag out. I reuse this tag sometimes. Get the squeeze the cell tray. I'm sure it come out like that. Normally it comes in one piece, but this time it's not doing it, so you have to be very, very gentle with these. Try center as best you can. You may think I'm damaging it when I'm not. Just have to be very gentle with it, especially young sproutlings. top up I like to fill it to the brim. Just easier when you want to water it. It will automatically compact it. So you don't need labels if you don't want to, but I would recommend. I'll do a couple more so you know. I'll grab another one. These the reason this was loose is because it's not compact, not wet. It's because these were outside at the time. You can wear your gloves if you want to with this potting mix. You're just too scared to use your hands. Normally I hold the stem of the plant just to be supported. And most of these plants like to be compacted. Some people say it's not supposed to compact. It's not good compacted, but to me it is. We'll train the plant to grow very small. There, that's another one done. And the good thing is to not replace the soil. Just putting this because it's always good to recycle most of it. This is what I normally do with all my potting mix. Try and some of it goes in the ground, but normally is alright. I do apologise for the wind noise. I do apologise for the airplanes going over. I'm actually right in the middle of the landing cycle of the flight path. So, planes can take off and land. But the problem is, Adelaide Airport's only got one main runway. They've got a smaller runway, but that's only for like small planes. So, there you go. So the finished product should end up like that. You can use bigger pots if you want to, but it's not necessary with these. I'll do another one, so you know. And like I said, do not waste your potting mix, because now these days potting mix can be super expensive. So let's get another one. With this potting mix, you can get water wetting agent in it, and another one is some slow release fertilizer already added. Alright, and this is the last pot I'm going to do for you guys. Make sure you water it straight away, because otherwise they'll just die from a shock or transplant. I would recommend using some seaweed fertilizer, or if you got a worm farm, use some worm tea fertilizer from the worm farm. That's just as better. But if you haven't got a worm farm, use some seaweed fertilizer. Sea salt's the same thing. Make sure you fertilise it probably once every 2 weeks, once every 3 weeks, and they will love it. So, and once you put it into the ground, make sure you water it as well. Make sure your soil is well drained, because this is an in-ground vegetable. So it will grow. The beetroot will grow in ground, underground, underneath the soil, like potatoes do. So yeah, this beetroot is called Perfect Free. It's from Country Valley Seeds. I'll grew some seed and I'll show you how to do some seed sowing tutorials maybe in the future. So thank you for watching. Have yourself a great day, and subscribe, like the video, comment down below. You can support me on Patreon. That's patreon.com/George's Farmhouse. Donate some money there to help people with disabilities, help support my business, help support me by and us for making more videos for you guys. Also, I've got a Facebook page, which is facebook.com/George's Farmhouse. Again, same thing, but just different website. That you don't have to donate me money, just support, like the Facebook page, support me and keep updated to things I do events for and around my local area, and yeah, just join other people on my Facebook page, and yeah, you can post anything on there if you want to. I'll try to get back there as soon as possible can. There's only so much time I can actually spend on the Facebook page, because I'm busy doing customers and other things. So yeah, have yourself a great day, and enjoy. Cheers.